Hi everyone, welcome to Solve Pages YouTube channel. Today we're going to see how to export SQL Server data to Microsoft Excel. So this is my database and this is my table, employee data. So this data I want to export to Excel file. So I have 296 rows. I just want to export this data to Excel. So select tasks, export data, click on next. Select data source as a SQL Server native client and select the database here. Click on next. Select the destination as Microsoft Excel. So before that you have to create the Excel file with no data. So I'm creating an Excel file here, naming it as employee data. So we have to select the path here. If you click on next, you'll get an error. You need 12.0 OLEDP drivers. So what you can do is you can lower down the version and you can try it. Still you can get the error like external table is not expected format. So open this Excel file, save it as 2003 workbook and then try again. Select this 2003 version and try again. Not forget to check this option. First row has column names so that you also get the header names. So click on next. Copy data from one or more tables. Select this option. You'll see later this option. Next. Next. Click on finish. So go and check the Excel file. See, we have the data. We have 296 rows. See, 297 rows including the header. So this is how you can export the data from SQL Server to Excel file. And there is another option, right? We have seen that if you want to export the top 100 rows, then select top 100 from employee data. So select top 100 rows in employee data. So I have 100 rows. So you need this top 100 rows to be copied to the Excel file. Just select task, export data. Select SQL Server native client, destination as Microsoft Excel. Just select the path. So write a query to specify the data to transfer. Select this option. Just copy this query here. Just parse it. It will check the query is valid or not. After that, just click on next. And destination name is like top 100 data. Click on next, next and finish. Database engine could not find the object. So we don't have Excel file created. So I'll create an Excel file here. top 100 data. save this as 2003 workbook. Then try again. Go back and select this file. Pass the query. Click on next. And the name should be top 100 data. Click on next, and finish. 100 rows transferred. See, go to the file and check here. Here is the data. The top 100 data here. You can write any query and you can select the data and you can export to Excel. Thanks for watching.